What's good, YouTube? It's Will Fix Sean back with another video, and today we got a review for you guys for a shoe that came out today in February 17, 2018. And yeah, this shoe is really hyped, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it is. Alright, so here's what we got. Do y'all know what's in here? I know you guys know what. You guys know what the fuck is inside. I'm about to show you right now. So yeah. Jumpman on the cover. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says right here, size 8.5. And yeah, let's show you what I got inside. We got the black cements, dog. Boy, I tell you, with that Nike Air treatment, this shit lit as fuck. So yeah, let me just put the box down and start with this shoe right here. Right shoe. Oh boy, the leather for these are really, really nice. Like, it's tumbled and soft. It's not like the True Blues that came out, like 2 years ago. But yeah, it's really soft, and yeah, with the Nike Air, that's what matters the most. All right, so here's the shoe. Now I'm gonna show you guys the other shoe. Right here. So we got, here's both of them together. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a close-up view. So yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, here's a close-up view on the black cement 3s. Here's the left pair. As you guys can see, the black leather on the top. You got the cement imprint on the outside toe. The white midsole, you got the black over here. Yeah. Then the eyelets is red over here. Black laces, gray tongue with the red Jumpman. Here's the back shot. Here's what everybody likes right here. Nike. So yeah, you got Nike Air over here. In white, black pull tab. Here's the other side. So yeah. And here's that leather. I'm gonna show you guys up close. It's really soft. So yeah, it's gonna be a comfy shoe. And also the cushioning. It's a lot of cushioning inside. And then also here's the inside. You got the red insole with Nike Air inside. And yeah, here's the outsole. Alright guys, here's both shoes together. Got the right and the left. Yeah, overall it's a nice looking shoe. The leather is better than the other 3s that dropped recently. So yeah, and they're gonna be comfy because the leather's soft. Very classic colorway. If you were lucky to grab these today, good for you. It's a nice shoe to have in your collection. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the men's size. I got a surprise for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the grade school size. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Let's go. All right, so here's the men's box again. Got that OG treatment. Has my name in there. Shout out Champs. One more time. So yeah, 8.5. But yeah, that's the box for the men's. And that's what they did for the grade school. Over here, they got the basic Jordan box. Yep. Size 5.5. But the box has 5Y, but it's 5.5. So empty. Not even a sticker. But yeah, that's the difference between boxes of the grade school and the men's pair. Alright guys, here's the grade school pair. Oh boy. So start off, the material is way, like some parts are different, but all I gotta say is, okay, so right here in the toe box, the leather is kind of the same, like the way it feels, it's soft. So like the men's pair, so that's good. It's the same leather. But I don't know why, but it looks kind of more shinier in here than the men's one. Also, in the grade school pair, the Elephant, it's kind of like hard plastic. I don't know, but it's harder than it's like harder leather than the one in the men's pair. Yeah. Let's see. Same thing. Red eyelets, black laces, the gray tongue, red Jumpman. You know. Here's the Nike Air close up. Right here. So yeah. The pull tab is stitched in, so unlike the men's pair. It's also different right here, the gray part, than the men's pair. And here's the bottom outsole. It says Jordan other than Nike in the men's pair. So yeah, I mean, the good thing is that they added the Nike Air in the back. That's what most important, because nobody's gonna look in your outsole and be like, oh, it doesn't have Nike. So it doesn't really matter. Yeah, same thing for the inside. Just says Nike Air on the inside. Size 5.5. So yeah, that's the grade school, and I'm gonna show you guys the men's pair one more time right here. You got a men's pair over here. Grade school. Oh, and look at that. Grade school over here. All right, guys. Here's the three-way comparison of the three colorways. Shout out to Ferrari for letting me use the shoes. You know, so I could compare these different releases. So yeah. On my left here, it's the Sport Blue 3s. So you guys can see, it's pretty worn, but here's the leather. It's way shinier than the black cements, and also it's pretty soft because I guess he worn it, so I'm guessing before like it wasn't really this soft. So yeah, and yeah. The elephant print is slippery. What else we got here? Got the gray nubuck on the tongue right here. Nubuck over here. Here's the back. Jumpman. Yeah, bottom. So yeah. Also over here, you got the True Blue 3s. Came out 2016. All white upper. The Nike, same thing as the black cement 3s, and yeah, right here, Nike Air. So yeah, that's the difference between all these three. So basically, these are soft. These are soft. This is like harder leather, so it's not that really soft than these two. But yeah, and here's what everybody wants to see. Y'all want to see that ass shot, huh? There you go. All three of them, just like that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this end for the video. Yeah, all I gotta say is, if you got this shoe, good job. These are a nice shoe to have in your collection. Really nice. It's very iconic. Yeah, you know, fits well and everything. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. And make sure, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. And hit like. Also, follow my SoundCloud. I got new music on the way with my boy Ferrari. So yeah, better stay tuned for that. Dropping soon. So yeah, also got a mixtape coming up. So yeah, let's get it.
JT on the beat.
I'm running through my city getting bags. You already know how this beat go, make it last. In my space coupe, yeah, I'm moving crazy fast. I'm the boy from the shy, running like a running back. 2017, I started making raps. 2018, gonna put it on a map. Don't talk to me, all you lame boys whack. I just hopped on this beat, yeah, I'm glad to say I'm back. I'm getting all this money while your boy's looking funny. I got your baby mom with me, she calling me honey. Tryna get her back, but you're looking like a dummy. I'm with her right now, fucking her like a bunny. It's JT on the beat, yeah, he putting on a show. You already fucking know how this fucking beat goes. I'm making all these fire like I'm shooting free throws. Pull up with my squad everywhere, yeah, that's how we roll. That's why I'm running through my city getting bags. You already know how this beat go, make it last. In my space coupe, yeah, I'm moving crazy fast. I'm the boy from the shy, running like a running back. 2017, I started making raps. 2018, gonna put it on a map. Don't talk to me, all you lame boys whack. I just hopped on this beat, yeah, I'm glad to say I'm back.
I'm always running with my boy M9, but I shoot you in the head and watch you die. I don't give a fuck about what you say, but to go out.